Done got some mail. Old Race Tech spring kit and my K&N filter. Woo! She's plus 10 out there. I gotta get to work. Get this fucking thing put back together. Yeah. Alright, well, I was just doing a time lapse here of putting the shock on and the new K&N filter. Pop the cover off here and I found this. Somebody's been hoarding peanuts and macaronis in there. K&N macaroni for supper. Alright, well, back to work. Right on. Well, that wasn't too bad actually. Luckily I've watched the video a few times on how to stick her back together, the fork, so it wasn't much of an issue. It was getting that 14 mil bolt off. I had to put a rag on there and vice grips because it just kept spinning the whole shaft. She was on there pretty good. But I think I routed that wrong. I think that was supposed to go in behind. I don't remember that rubbing on my sticker. We got the Race Tech kit in the front. Got the Hyper Pro up in the back, just the spring. Got the Gelfer stainless line. Got these new eBay pokey pegs. Got the new double take mirror. I think that's everything I've done to her now over the course of this winter. Oh, I got these silly little caps here for my mirrors. March 21st, she's getting on riding and camping weather here in Canada, so glue that back on. He broke. I think she's all ready to go here. Other than, that's gonna bother me now. I'm sure that was routed. Maybe it went under here. I gotta fix this brakey. Yeah, maybe go for a little poke just around storage here. Beautiful day out there in the neighborhood. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this. I'll be back. Oh, check that out. Stickers, yeah! There, that was a quick fix. I didn't have to undo the 8, so I just undid the brake. Up and through and wrapped around. I'm sure because I don't remember it being over top of that sticker wearing. I brought these to wear while I was working on shit, so I did get my fingers all greasy. Which, I just remember now. I'm happy with that. She's a little stiffer. So the old Jake the Garden Snake just did the same thing. Put the Race Tech in the front of his 300L. I don't know what he did in the rear. He's got an adjustable in the rear. I think also Race Tech. But I was asking him about the front, and he said it feels more like a dirt bike. Yeah, she's a little stiffer. Just poking around here a little bit. I didn't really get into it much, but I just gotta wait for the nice weather here and nicer weather ready to rock. I think I'm gonna go home and have some beer. Woo! That may be the possibly the final update here until camping. Probably just go back up to Lanark or wherever and see how this performs. It's pretty good just out here. It's just kind of a little soupy, not really. Gravel. Macaroni. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if she was spinning through there or if I'm just digging it up maybe. These tires aren't that aggressive. These are 80/20s. I did find the rear brake line, she grabs a little bit better, but it still, I may put different pads on her and bleed it again. Front, I noticed a lot less dive with it when I got onto the brake, but it's still pretty crappy, but I don't really use the front brake a whole lot. She's non-ABS, and my dumb ass will just fucking grab a mitt full of lever there and be the end of that. So I'll leave the shitty setup on the front for the brakes. Well, I'll get some beer in me, edit this up, and yeah, I guess I'll see you on the first trip. What was it? What did I say? It was March something? I think last year I was out end of April. Last week of April was my first run out. But we'll see what the weather's like. It's been in the minuses overnight, -2, -6, which isn't too bad. As long as during the day's warm enough to ride. Yeah, I'm just blathering on now. Peace.